In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to make contact fields optional or mandatory in Forminator forms in WordPress. First, you need to install and activate Forminator Forms plugin. I've already installed it. Now, if you want to learn how to install plugins in WordPress, we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link it in the description below, or you can click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. To configure this plugin, hover onto Forminator and click on Dashboard in the sidebar. Here, I'll simply create a new form. Here in the pop-up, select a template of your choice. Once selected, click on Continue. Here, you need to give your form a name and then click on Create. You can see the Form Builder window here. As of now, some fields are mandatory while some are optional. To change the settings, simply edit any of the fields by clicking on the respective Edit button like this. Here in the pop-up, you can configure various field settings. Under the Settings tab, you can make this field required or optional as per your need. Once done, click on Apply. Similarly, you can configure settings of other fields as well and make them optional or required as per your need. So this is how easy it is to make contact fields optional or required using Forminator forms in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.